Anthropic just announced Claude Design, a new product from their labs team which is focused on creating visual work like prototypes, slides, one-pages and more directly inside of Claude. It's powered by their newest vision model, Claude Opus 4.7, and it's rolling out now in research preview to Pro, Max, Team and Enterprise users. The way that they're positioning this is pretty simple. You describe what you want, Claude builds a first version, and then you refine it until it's right. That refinement can happen through conversation, inline comments, direct edits, or even custom sliders that Claude creates for you to adjust the layout, spacing, and styling. And once you make a change, you can apply it across the entire design, not just one section. Another key part is how it handles your brand. During onboarding now, Claude can read your design files or your code base and build a design system around it. Your colors, typography, and components. That system then gets applied automatically to everything you create, and you can maintain multiple systems if you're working across different products or different brands. Now, you're also not limited to starting from a prompt. You can upload documents like Word files, PowerPoints or spreadsheets, bring in images, or even capture elements directly from your website so your design matches your real product. From there, everything happens in one place. You can keep designs private, share them across your organization, or let your team edit and collaborate with you inside the same workspace. They've also highlighted how teams are already using it. Designers are turning static mockups into interactive prototypes, product teams are mapping out feature flows, and founders are building pitch decks, and marketing teams are creating landing page and campaign assets. There's also a more advanced layer where people are building code-powered prototypes with voice, video, 3D, and inbuilt AI. And then when you're done, you can organize your work into folders, share it as a link, or export it as a PDF, PowerPoint, or HTML file, and send it directly to tools like Canva. And when something's ready to build, Claude can even package everything into a structured handoff bundle and pass it into Claude Code with a single instruction. This is still early though, it's a research preview and it's rolling out gradually. Anthropic has already said more integrations are coming, but the direction is pretty clear. This is about moving from generating outputs to actually creating and refining work inside of a single workflow. And when you start to look at it from that lens, you can start to see what it might replace or at least overlap with. Tools like Figma for early design and prototyping, Canva for quick visual content, and even things like Microsoft PowerPoint for building decks. The difference is those tools are still separate steps in a process, where this is trying to bring everything together into one place. Now, whether it actually replaces those tools is another question in itself, especially for the more advanced use cases. But it definitely looks like it could reduce how often you need to jump between them. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.